MineMaster proudly presents the new underground long-hole drilling rig, Production Master 2.3. The rig is equipped with CMAC, Thyssen Mining Grip Working Unit. The machine has a very good stability for fast ramming even in tough road conditions. The top hammer system gives the possibility for drilling in a range of 64 to 165 mm holes depending on the configuration. A 180-degree drilling table and 360-degree feed dump enables drilling parallel up holes and down holes as well as fans and rings in vertical or inclined planes. The foot and roof support enables fast on positioning and accurate holes placement. Rod handling is carried out by means of rod handler, carousel type, with the capacity of 16 rods plus additional rod in the gripper and another in the drilling string. A Bluetooth remote control panel is included for easy operation and drilling accuracy outside the operator's compartment. Direct hydraulic control is also installed inside the compartment.